How to stake HEX. In this quick tutorial I will show you how to stake HEX step by step. If you go to hex.com website, you can see that currently they offer 38% returns a year. But before you can stay, you definitely need to have some HEX in your Metamask wallet. They have some easy tutorials. If you click on how to buy, you can see that you need Metamask wallet, and then you need buy Ethereum, then swap for HEX, and then stake it. I will show you how to do it step by step. I already have Metamask installed in my browser. Please be sure to use Ethereum mainnet here, and if you don't have any Ethereum yet in your wallet, you can buy directly from Metamask, and there are a lot of options here. You can basically, for example, use MoonPay or Wire to buy Ethereum with your debit or credit card. Or if you have Ethereum on some exchanges, you can directly deposit it to your Metamask account. Okay, now we have some Ethereum in our wallet. We can swap Ethereum to HEX. Let's go back to the main page, hex.com, and connect our wallet here. Choose Metamask, click next here, choose your wallet. I have two wallets. If you have one, you will not see this additional window here. Next and connect. Okay, now I want to swap S for HEX. Let's say I want to buy 100 HEX, and that's the amount of Ethereum I need to pay. Let's click on swap, and you can see that network fee is around $8, so it's not very useful to buy small amount of HEX, because each time you need to pay the network fee, which might be quite high in the Ethereum network. But just for demonstration purposes, I will buy 100 HEX for $3 and will pay this fee. Okay, price updated. Let's accept it and confirm. Here we need to click on confirm again and wait for transaction to finish. In the Ethereum network it can take some time. Okay, now we can add HEX to Metamask, which is quite useful. Let's do it. So we can see our tokens here. Let's add token. Yeah, we see that transaction was confirmed. So now we can see our HEX tokens in the Metamask wallet. Click on assets, and yeah, here you are, we have 100 HEX. And now we can move on to the staking step and connect to your wallet again. Next and connect. If you want to go directly to the staking page, you need to go to the go.hex.com, and on the stake tab you can choose amount of HEX you want to stake. You can enter some amount here, or just click max to stake all your available HEX. And now you need to choose stake length in days, starting with 1 day. Let's say I want to stake it for 10 days, but the longer you stay, the more rewards you get. You can choose amount of days here. Maybe you want to choose some date, or even year, months, etc. Okay, and now I click on stake. Again, I see the Metamask pop up here. Again, there is some gas fee here, so you need to have this amount of Ethereum additional in your account, and click confirm. Now let's wait for transaction to be confirmed in the Ethereum blockchain. Yeah, transaction was confirmed. And now that we see that I successfully staked 100 HEX, we should see our stakes here. Let's refresh the page, and now we see our staking here. And now you have two options. You basically end stake at any time, but you will get some penalties, so you can lose up to 50% of your staking. So I do not recommend doing this. I click cancel, but when the staking period will be ended, this button will be black or gray, I don't remember exactly. It means that you can safely unstake your HEX without any penalties. I hope this tutorial helped you to stake your HEX. Please let me know in the comments about this, and also please like and subscribe this video. I really appreciate this. Thank you again, and see you soon.